How to find your reservation on booking.com. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for booking.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Bookings or Bookings and Trips option from the drop-down menu. In this section, you will see a list of your upcoming and past reservations. Tap on a specific booking to view its details, including dates, property information, and any special request. If you looked without creating an account, use the Find Your Booking feature on the booking.com website. You will further need to provide your booking number and the email address used during the reservation. So, this is how you can find your reservation on booking.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.